Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can get the lightning sky effect in After Effects. Now it doesn't matter what After Effects you have, just as long as you have After Effects. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have your clip selected and cropped to where you want the lightning to be. Then you need to go up to your effects and presets and drop in color key. Then go up and there should be a little water dropper icon. You use that and you go up to the sky of whatever you're trying to put the lightning in and click on it. Then you play around with the settings until the screen is all black and use edge feather and edge thin just to make it look nice. So I usually do -1 for edge thin, and for edge feather I just play around until it looks nice. Okay, so now that you have your settings worked out, you download whatever clip you want. For me, I've got this lightning clip that I use in most of my edits, and I will leave the link in the description. So it'll usually come up on top of the layer you want, but all you need to do is just crop it to where you want it to be, and then put it underneath the layer that has the color key on it. And as you can see here, that's put it underneath my character, or my person that I'm outlining. Also, just a quick note, your clip like mine might be a little bit too small, but all you need to do is just drag it until it covers the whole screen. And as you can see now, I've got my base lightning effect. And that is pretty much all you need to do to make it look nice. And then just remember to crop it to exactly where you want the clip to be. And yeah, let me know some more tutorials you want. And thanks for watching. See ya.